This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Anaconda, the Python distribution that has quite a few useful packages to it. So Anaconda for Python, you can find it right here, anaconda.com/download. And I will include that link in the video description below this video, so you can just click that link and you'll wind up right here. So we're on this distribution page right here. We have download now, get access in 30 seconds, completely free. So we're going to click on get started. Now you need to sign up straight away in order to actually use this. So we can sign up through Google, through Microsoft account, or through GitHub, or sign up with email is another option here. So I'm just going to use GitHub. So we just click on GitHub. That will automatically sign me in. I will authorize that. Now we are being sent back to another page. I have to verify this email right here. I always resend the emails just in case they don't come through. So I will check that out now at my email. I'll pause the video. Okay, so I have now verified that and we are in. Welcome to Anaconda. So there's some blurb here on ways to get started, and we can instantly choose the download. So it has worked out that I'm on a Mac, which is correct. There was a Windows version. If you're on Windows, you can go with the 64-bit version over here. There's also a Linux version in 64-bit as well. So Mac-wise, you can go with the Anaconda distribution. The main one, I recommend to go with this one, or the Miniconda. So you've got this option as well. So they've got for the Intel chips and also for Apple Silicon. Now I'm an Apple Silicon on this machine. So we can now have the command line installer or the graphical installer. Let's go with graphical. It's up to you what you go for. You click on that, so it will automatically download to wherever your downloads go, depending on your browser. I'm on a Mac, like I say, with Google Chrome, so it's just in a downloads folder. So we get our little thank you message. We can create a free account from here. But that has been a video on how to download Anaconda, the Python distribution. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.